Hey guys, it's your guy Abrazak Otokiti. I welcome you to this short tutorial on Microsoft Excel 2016 for data analysis. And we're going to continue working with these data sets. And this data set has purchase dates, month, and year. So what we are going to do in this tutorial is that we want to calculate the number of days that purchase we make from this company on a monthly basis. And we also want to calculate the number of days purchase was made from this company on yearly basis. So now to start with, we'll first of all try to extract the month value for each of the dates. So now to do that, press equal to, then we use the month function in Excel. Then you select the dates, then I hit enter. If you look at now, January being the first has been taken out from this date. So now to extract the date, the month value for each date in this data set, we simply double click on this to extract the month value for each of the dates in this data set. So now to extract the year value for each of the year in this data set, we simply use the year function in Excel. We click the date, then you close your bracket, then you hit enter. 2010 being the year here has been returned. To do same for the remaining data set, we simply double click it and you see that 2010 has been extracted out down to 2019. Now, to count the number of days that purchase was made in this data set, we go to this sheet 1. We click on this sheet 1. You see here the month value has been extracted here 1, 2 down to 12, which is January, from January down to December. So now to count the number of days now with purchase, we simply press equal to, then we use count if function. Once we use count if function, then you come to the first sheet, which is the purchase sheet. Then to click to highlight on the month, then you anchor it. After anchoring it, then you select, you put comma, then your criteria, which is the month from the month particular month that you want to calculate for. You hit enter. You see that the total number of sales that was made in January 2010 down through to January 31st in 2019 is 142. That is the total number of sales that was made in January. To do same for the remaining months, we simply double click it. So to fill for it to fill for the remaining month. So about 158 purchase, about 158 days it was purchased in February. So for us to do same for the year, we simply use count if, then select the range. Then we go to the year column, we select the year, then you anchor it. After anchoring it, then comma, you place comma, then you select the year, and you close the bracket, hit enter. So the total number of sales that was made in 2010 alone is 174. That is the total number of days that there was purchased in 2010 is 174. To do same for the remaining year, simply double click. So now it has calculated for the total number of sales that was made in 2011 through to 2019. So from here we can then see that on a month on January 1st, January happens to be the month that this particular company has less sale. Whereas in October, this particular company sells more because sells the number of days that they make sales in October is about 185, while the number of sales that this particular company makes sales in in January is 142. So the same thing applies to the year. The number of sales that this particular company make highest sales is in 2016, which is they made sales in about 233 days, whereas in 2010 they make less sales, which is about 174 days. So for more video tutorial on Excel 2016 for data analysis, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time. Hope to see you next time.